Is Wednesday, September 17th, 2025, and it is 10:30 a.m. and we're here to discuss the vehicle use policy workshop.
And I am presenting you with everyone
Okay.
with the vehicle use policy that Twin Falls County has.
Okay.
They revamped theirs, and
Okay.
there are some good ideas
Okay.
in it. Just to review, and maybe there's something that we would like to implement from their vehicle use policy.
Okay.
I did notice on theirs, it's just like what we have, the 25 or older that are not employed. They do have that listed in here too, just like we have in ours that we have an issue with.
Yeah. Okay. 25 driver's license.
Yeah, and I think when I contacted ICAMP about that, they had discussed about airport. So that's one reason why that's in there, is some places, the airports, they may not be employed by the county, but they're driving people